Jai Gurudev children. Beta, in previous class we have learned up to the question number 4. Okay. Today onwards we are going to start from the question number 5th and see that what is the first question. Write each of the following numbers using exponential notation. Okay. See that question number 512 is there, means what you have to do, you have to do the prime factorization for 512. Okay. So write the using prime number only. Okay. So prime numbers are, I am writing because many children are not aware, still in class 7 also, prime numbers. Okay. So prime numbers are the numbers those have only two factors, 1 and number itself are called prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Means other than these numbers you can't do the division. Okay. Many children, they are doing the division while they are making the prime factorization. They are doing the division by 4 or 9 or 15 or like that also. Actually, they are not prime numbers. In this way, if you are taking these numbers in your for your division, then your prime factorization will be wrong. So 512, first prime number is 2. So start the division by 2. Okay. See it now. See that now. 512 means divided by 2. Okay. See, 2, 2 ja 4, 2, 5 ja 10 and 2, 6 ja 12. Again by 2, 2, 1 ja 2, 2, 2 ja 4 and 2, 8 ja 16. 2, 6 ja 2, 4 ja 2, 3 ja 2, 2 ja 2, 1 ja और 2, 6 ja 2, 8 ja 16. 2, 4 ja 2, 2 ja or 2, 1 ja. You have to write the numbers using exponential notation. Okay. This is known as exponential notation. Okay. Now if you will see that what are the 512 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 how many times? 9 times. Okay. So many children are writing while the question is coming. They are writing 9 to the power 2. That is wrong, beta. What is your, which number is multiplying 9 times? That is 2. It means base will be 2. Or how many times the number is coming? 9 times. So the answer will be exponential form will be 2 to the power 9. Okay. So it is very simple. So B and C part I am leaving for your homework. Okay. B and C part you will do yourself. I am leaving that question. Homework will be B and C part of the same question. Now come to the question number 6. See that now. Question number 6th. Identify the greater number. Okay. For A part is 6 to the power 7 or 7 to the power 6. How you will do? Solution of A part. See. 6 to the power 7 means how many times 6 will be multiplied? 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. Or 7 to the power 6 means 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you will see that 6 to the power 6 is 36. Okay. 36 into 6 6 ja 36 into 6 6 ja 36 into 6. Then finally we will write that what number is coming. Here you just also see that 7 7 ja 49, 7 7 ja 49, again 7 7 ja 49. Now I am multiplying them, then just see it here. Now see that beta, if you will multiply all these numbers, what you will get, 279936. If you will multiply this 6 to the power 7, if you will multiply this 7 to the power 6, you will get 117649. So which one is greater? This one is greater, upper number. Okay, so in this way you can write that 6 to the power 7 is greater than 7 to the power 6. Okay, so it is not very difficult, but only the multiplication part is there. So everybody of you can multiply and identify them, that which one will be the greater one. Okay, now just see the next one. Now see that D part, 100 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 100. Here we can see that 100 to the power 3 means, if we will multiply 100 to the power 3 means 100 into 100 into 100. What will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 10 lakh it will come. If we will multiply 3 to the power, means 3 we have to multiply 100 times. Obviously it will become greater than this number. Okay, so by generally 3, it is not possible to multiply 300 times. So by observation only you have to write. So what will be your answer? 3 to the power 100 greater than 100 to the power 3. Okay, generally this much of greater number are not coming in your exam. Only just that much of numbers will come, or the powers will come, which will be possible to multiply them. Okay, which can be possible to multiply them. Now just see that the next question, simplify. Now see that simplify 5 into 100 to the power 2. 5 into 100 to the power 2. How you will write that? 5 into 100 to the power 2 means 5 into 100 into 100. Okay, what will be your answer? 5 1 ja 5. How many 0 will come front of that? 4 0. It will be your answer. Okay, it will be your answer. Now see that the next one, 6 into 8 to the power 4. 6 into 8 to the power 4. B part. Six into 8 to the power 4 is equal to 6 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8 ja 64. 8 8 ja 64 into 6. Now see that what will be the answer. See that if you will multiply all these, 8 8 ja 64, 8 8 ja 64 multiplied by 6, what you will get? 2 4 5 7 6. Nothing you have to do. Here in exponential form the question is given to you, and you have to find the multiplication of that in this question. Okay, so in this way C, D and E part, C, D and E part of this question will be your homework part. Now come to the question number 7. Okay, question number 8, sorry. Simplify minus 15 to the power 3. See that minus 15 to the power 3. You have learned the formula that negative number, if odd power is there, you can see that odd power is there. 3 means odd power. So what answer will come? Negative answer will be there. What will be? Whatever the value will come, that will be negative. Okay, now what you will do? You just multiply 15 into 15 into 15. Okay, now see that what will be your answer? 15 15 ja 225. Okay, multiplied by 5. See that what will come? 225 multiplied by, not 5, sorry, it will be multiplied by 15. Okay, 225 multiplied by 15. See that what comes. 15 is equal to 3375. 3375. And because I told you that odd power is there, so what will be your answer? Negative. So you will put negative sign in front of the answer. Okay, now just see the B part of this question. B part is that minus 3 into minus 2 to the power 4. Here you can see that negative number in number having what power? Even power. Okay, so its result will come positive. Only for this 2 I am talking about. Which one? Only for this minus 2. Okay, so it will be even. It will be even, negative number. Now see that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 or multiplied by minus 3. Now just see that minus 3 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 or 8 to the 16. Okay, it will be positive because it is having even power. Ab now 16 3 ja 48. What means sign it having minus, so it will be minus 48. It will be minus 40. So it is simple. Here small powers are given, so directly we can decide that whether they can be positive or negative. Okay, this formula, negative power, odd number, negative power, even number, it is very useful while we have given greater powers. Okay, and we have to decide that whether the number will be the positive or negative. Okay, now just see the next question. Just see the next part of the question, that is C part, and then D part will be your homework part. See that C part now, minus 4 to the power 2 into minus 5 to the power 3 into minus 2 to the power 3. Here I am doing the question by another method also. See that minus 4 means minus 4 into minus 4. Okay, keep them in bracket, otherwise you will have confusion. Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay, now you can see that we can directly count them, how much the negative numbers having negative minus 1 having how many powers. If you can see that minus 1 having how many powers? 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8. It means 8 times negative sign will come. 8 is even number, so whatever value will come, that will be positive. Okay, now we are going to decide from here. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, and minus into minus plus. So by this we can decide that whatever the result will come, that will be the positive. So put the positive sign. So 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25 into 5 2 ja 10 into 2 2 ja 4. Okay, now see that 25 4 ja I am multiplying 16. See that how I am doing now. 16 4 ja 64. Okay, into, no, it will be difficult. Just see that 16 into 10, 16 into 10 into 25 into 4. By adjustment, in previous class we had learned, by that method I am doing. 16 10 ja 160 into 25 4 ja 100. So what will be your answer? 163 times 0. Okay, and it will be positive because already the sign we have checked that what will be your sign in the final result. Maybe everybody of you have, I am hoping that everybody of you have understood what will be the. See that one more time. We have seen that negative numbers, how means negative sign, how many powers were there? 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8. 8 is the even number, so it will be finally it will come positive. It will come positive. But from here also we have seen that in if description form, in detail form we will write, then from here also it will come positive. Minus into minus plus. Okay. See that now? Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Okay. Then we have seen then 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10 or 2 2 ja 4. Okay. And because the sign twice the sign coming together, so obviously their values will be positive. Okay. Now just see 25 into 4 I have taken together, at 16 into 10 I have taken together. Okay, so 16 10 ja 160 multiplied by 25 4 ja 100. Now simply it will be your answer. So in this way D part you will do yourself. D part will be your homework part.